LA County has seen a huge jump in COVID cases just over the last week. The number of new cases has more than tripled in LA County. That trend is expected to continue next week. And so will the massive demand for testing. We were told thousands of people were swabbed here at this drive-through clinic along the Sepulveda Pass yesterday. But some who waited for several hours to get tested at a Kaiser Permanente clinic in Anaheim were actually turned away. The same thing happened at another Kaiser facility in Downey.
Almost 2 hours.
And what are they telling you?
Now they're saying you won't make it by 1 o'clock.
I have a procedure that needs to be done, COVID testing before my procedure, and now they're telling us that they're not doing it no more.
The operator at the Sepulveda Pass testing location says the positive rate was 2% 3 weeks ago. Now it's 12%. He says what's more concerning is that almost half of those who tested positive have no symptoms. All doctors say the high demand for those home COVID tests is a good sign that people are taking Omicron seriously. The concern, of course, is at-risk family and friends, the elderly, and people with underlying health conditions. Medical experts continue to emphasize being vaccinated and getting that third shot will really help slow the spread.
We need to move away from the terminology of referring to this as a booster and referring to this as a 3-dose regimen, and even that might prove to be outdated. I think we have to learn some language to call to say whether your vaccinations are up to date. For example, I mean, in the next 6 months we might have a Omicron specific vaccine, or we might have a vaccine that's just has pan coverage for every possible coronavirus.
Dr. Dano says there is some good news here as well. He says that data in other large cities indicates far fewer hospitalizations with Omicron, and being vaccinated offers very strong protection against severe sickness and death. Stay with CBS 2 and KCAL9.com for the very latest on this pandemic. For updates anytime, you can always go to cbsla.com or kcal9.com/coronavirus.